What up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Dividend Team. Today, I want to talk about why I pick the stocks that I do and how do I choose them. But first, if you new to my channel, of course, please subscribe, like this video, and make sure you leave a comment. So, how do I pick the stocks that I do? The first three things, I think I look for blue chip stocks. I look at the dividend payments. Now, see if it's a large cap company. Pretty much, blue chip stocks are like, for example, like IBM, Disney, Intel. So those kind of stocks. In large cap like Apple, Johnson Johnson. So yeah, so I think that these things I definitely look for. And matter of fact, let's look at one. I'm on Robinhood. And a lot of people probably use other platforms. A lot of bad rep for Robinhood, but I have it. I like it. No problem with me, but always not my main platform I use. It's my little play fun. And yeah, so let's look at Disney. See, Disney pretty much kind of meets all my criteria. I'm looking for a blue chip, dividends, a large cap. So yeah, so Disney is a good stock. I want to look at another one. Apple, blue chip stock, dividend payment, large cap. There's a few things I look at, but as a whole, I think that stock I'm looking for is gotta be safe. Of course, like this, the dividend yield and room for potential growth. I think, of course, I want to grow my portfolio, and main thing, growth is very important, and of course, dividend because I'm a dividend team. Most stocks like I said, Apple. I see I looking for stocks that pretty much I can hold and pretty much I can maintain and hold for about 5 years or so. Kind of like I'm a kind of long term investor. I kind of like hold until long term. As you know, most all my stocks are pretty much I buy and hold and for the long term. So yeah, that's pretty much a short kind of reason on why I pick the stocks that I do, because I like picking stocks that have the safe and good dividend yield, good growth, but also like I said, the blue chip stocks, like I said, dividend payments, large cap. So those are things I look for. Okay, so let's talk about some stocks that I think would be good for the month of February. At Disney, I think would be a good stock to get into for this month. People think that Disney been definitely thriving and now and definitely after the pandemic. Real quick, I'm gonna give you a 3 today. AMD, that's a good stock that been pretty good, consistent, good growth stock. Rather Friday outperformed the market. You want more? My new favorite one. Oops. JD.com. Very good stock, good market cap, high buy rating. So yeah, just want to get it home real quick. Talk about a few stocks and the reason why I buy and hold, and yeah. So leave a comment. Let me know your strategies. How do you look for stocks? Why you buy them? Do you buy for dividends? Do you buy for growth? Yeah, so make sure you like this video, subscribe, and see you next video.